Those names have been hammered, this name as well. Charles Schwab, shares under pressure as they announce plans to pause their buyback program. Sonali Basak has more. Hey, Sonali.
Hey, John, listen, you have a deposit base that is down about 30% over at Schwab. And while that's about in line with expectations, you also have Schwab halting share buybacks. Now, listen, the market is already reacting to the stock, and some of the numbers were actually above expectations. The good news within the results here is that net interest income was above expectations. Net new client assets were above expectations. But again, that deposit number is a big deal because that is what lowers the cost of funding. UBS is saying that the cost of funding, the wholesale funding here, comes in above their estimate, but not as ugly as feared. Remember, it's too early to say whether this industry is completely out of the woods, although there are some things within Schwab's numbers that show some green shoots. With that said, the pausing the buybacks is something that comes after pretty historic levels of buybacks for a company like this. So the question about profitability becomes a perennial issue for Schwab as we see some certain business lines certainly under pressure here at the company.